Is anybody talking? Anybody saying anything? Or...
Nobody's saying nothing.
All right. I got
Nice
in.
little.
I got in on that bounce there. Break the
Yeah,
trend. See if I can hold this thing for at least 100 points. That put me
didn't get
back.
down at it didn't get down as far as I expected it to.
Yeah, I mean, neither. I was expecting 188, so I put in this trend line here and I enter. So
Yeah, it's a nice little drop in the overnight.
it was, right?
Yeah, it was good. What was that, like 200, 300 points?
Yeah.
And they get some falling wedges to form on the longer time frames, like 15-minute.
If you look at probably, I'm looking at the 10, but 15 probably you can see the same thing that is down, sideways, down, sideways, down, sideways, down. You see it's like a step ladder.
Yeah, these bear flags are playing out nicely. 188 on that bullish harmonic isn't very far away on the hourly.
Yeah, yeah, we got close. I expected us to at least get there.
I was hoping this would be a head to a head and shoulder.
All right, here's what's crazy. My volume and momentum suggest price should be below S2 right now.
Should be what? I'm sorry, below us.
Below below S2. When I'm
Okay.
looking at the 30-minute time frame.
Mhm.
Yeah. Yep. Yeah, these sell-offs have had, with exception last night's sell-off was kind of weak. Yesterday's sell-off was significant. But we haven't gotten to the open yet.
You're scaring me. I'm gonna sip this thing. Damn it. I got sipped.
Yeah, the on balance volume on trading view is
Yeah.
lower right now on the 30-minute than it was at the app,
Yep.
like the low of the swing. That's like 400 points below this.
Yes. That's what I'm looking at. And Ninja's got it a little bit lower on that first dip down, and then the double bottom, we're sitting right at maybe a little bit lower than the double bottom.
That's basically what trading view has.
Yeah.
Hey Zach, when you take a screenshot like that, take the time and price
I
range as well. This way we can check it out a
Yeah,
little
we can
better.
zoom in. Yeah, we can zoom in to see the details if needed.
Yeah. So this way giving us a little bit more information. Well, let's change my hat in here for long to short. Let's do it. at the 10 minutes. Check it out at 10 minutes. Yep, perfect. Just go a little bit lower now though on your cut to show
so that we
us
can see the time.
the time. You almost got it. You almost got it. Just cut a little lower to show the bottom part of the time, and you got it.
I don't know if we've mentioned it, but it's also quad witching week
Oh
Yeah, I was
on
just talking to
yeah.
Friday.
yeah, I was just
Okay.
talking to my son about that. This week we've got futures rollovers happening, you've got bonds, you've got freaking options,
That's why it's
stock
acting like
option.
this. That now makes sense. I did not know that, or I have forgot about it. But
Yeah, it's just one of those
Yeah,
weeks a lot of traders
yeah,
try to
one
avoid.
yesterday was so
other
crazy.
other groups have to, people who trade different instruments than we do really have to pay attention to the quad witching. But for us, since we trade the futures instruments that we do, the quad witching happens on our contract rollover date every time. And so that's the easy thing for us to remember is if our futures contract is rolling over, it's a quad witching date.
Okay.
Yeah, I think right, it's Friday. It's like
Yep.
technically the quad witching day.
Yeah. Yeah. That's the last day where everything has to wrap up. Some of your early movers are going to be taking their positions and moving them this week. Friday's the deadline. Anything left undone Friday happens. I'm twitching, wanting to trade. Hey, if you guys see me in the open, bang, 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 remind me that I told myself I wanted to trade fewer times today.
Good luck with that.
Yeah, I
Now, if I'm
traded way too
scalping
much
and
yesterday.
what was that?
I traded way too much yesterday.
I've gone back and reviewed my trade history versus my P&L, and I am trading way too much. And all my data is saying the same thing it's always said. You're doing most of your action in the open. You should probably just stop after that and only trade A plus setups from that point forward.
Mhm.
Scalp the open and enjoy it, and then only do A plus setups from that point. Like this morning, doing micros, doing 222. Um, I'm up roughly 460 per account.
Oh, nice.
That's cool. I wanted to get this break at this trend here. Bad.
I want to get it too, but I'm not going to because it's 15 minutes till the
Yeah,
open.
we're all
Yeah.
staring at the same trend line.
I mean, I'm looking at this going, you know what? My 20-second's diverging. My
Yeah,
Renko showing signs of weakness, or in this case, signs of strength. 1 minute's very diverged. 3 minute finally is showing freaking divergence.
and then it's a nice hammer with 30 seconds left.
Right? Yeah. We had some stopping force on these candles with wicks down here. Yeah. I mean, there's a lot of stuff that says that trade would probably work out. Be right back.
Retest the downtrend.
Nobody knows the trouble I've seen.
I'm calling my propane tank people here, guys. I'm listening to you all.
Give me some juice. Get it now.
You're funny.
Dude, this is like the worst time of the year to have to buy propane.
Now I just filled 500 gallons last month, brother.
What's the one that you normally have with homes? Isn't it like 75 or 100?
I have no idea.
500 gallons sounds big.
Yeah, it's a big, round, huge tank.
Yeah,
Stand outside.
yeah, my mother's got one.
It's like about 10 foot long by 5 foot
About 4
tall.
foot high.
Yeah, four
Yeah.
or 5 foot
Okay.
high. Yeah,
Yeah, that's what she's got then. Okay. I
yeah.
didn't realize it was that many gallons.
They have 200. Hold on.
Yeah, go ahead.
Yeah, they're usually pretty big. They're usually around, roughly $1,000 to $1,500 to go full right now with the price of
Yeah.
pro.
Yeah, they normally only run through about half of theirs in a year. So they're
Luma's like,
typically able to time it to where propane's not too expensive and they have it filled up.
yeah, Luma's like to keep it warm.
But Lou's whole house is running off of propane too. So,
A lot of people that I know that use
and
propane supplement with wood.
yeah, yeah, he does. He mentioned this morning that he hadn't done a good job stocking up on wood either. So, but yeah, they live in Texas. So, we don't have near the heating challenges that he does up in,
No, like,
was
so
it
where I'm at,
Idaho?
somebody will go through a tank. Usually one to sometimes 1.5 tanks a year. It's, and they'll still, if they don't supplement with wood, they'll definitely go through a, a, a full tank, probably more.
What is it? I didn't hear. What is the? You guys talking? freaking bastard. $150 just to come the same day.
Oh, really? A
Yeah.
premium trip charge, kind of?
Yeah.
Your
The
wife will thank you for
the
it.
the problem I have my propane goes to the house but has a T that goes to my barbecue,
Mm-hmm.
and
Yep.
I think the dogs were playing the, you know,
Ah,
running around and everything and pushed the barbecue and kinked the copper pipe.
you know, we've got a gas line at the back of our house. Our house was designed to have a natural gas grill put in out back, but it's
Yeah.
never been done.
I have. I was tired. We cooked I cooked so much
And
outside that
I do.
those little tanks, that thing takes
Go through them all the time.
I had like five and all the time changing, and again go back to be old, right? Bending and all that shit's
Yep.
like fuck it. So I went there before I put them
Yeah,
out.
I keep three. I think we go through either 9 or 12 a year.
Yeah, so I just connected this way. I don't need to worry about it.
Yeah,
We just have the 61 retracement from the swing blow on the daily.
Yeah, well, we had 2 minutes,
we
right?
are close to that 188. Yeah. Yep.
Yeah, we are very close.
Yeah, from the last low. Yeah, would it be 2 minutes? 2 minutes from the open?
And look
Yeah.
at that
Yeah. A
volume
little,
in the
little over
last
a minute now.
candle, man. Look at the amount of volume and the little candle that was.
Uh, yeah. 2 minutes before the open is the pre-open imbalance.
Yeah, but the candle did not follow the amount of
Yeah.
volume that had.
Yeah. That basically says there were both a bunch of buyers and sellers inside that candle.
Yeah,
When you see something like that happening there,
1 minute or 30 seconds, either way. I don't know which
it's gonna
one.
hit that freaking 188 before the open, isn't it?
I don't think so.
I know. My directional indicators are down, but I'm really looking for a long scalp. I got to see what this first probably 30 seconds of the open gives me here.
Seconds.
Love it. And you're it. Maybe you're not, punk. Get your butt back up there. Not gonna let it hit me. 188 hit. And here's the S2 coming up at 840. Target hit. Trust it, so I'm sipping and leaving stuff there. Yeah. All right. That nice, nice, nice,
Yep.
nice entry, Brett.
I recover
Nice entry.
my my money back from that stupid trade.
That's 50 points in that 1 minute candle.
Yeah. I have
Well,
my
I've
take profit on S1, but I don't know. Don't know if I move, take profit. What are you guys thinking? Help me out here. I have one.
um
I have one left at 42.45, 50 points up.
I would
You could put it below
probably
the B point if you want.
Damn it.
yeah,
Now
the
it's
bottom
like
of the wick.
25 points.
I would
Positive.
say the stop would be around 897, 898.
Yeah, I have 899 will be my SIP. That's where I put
Okay,
it.
yeah.
Yeah.
I'd leave it there for a little bit. Because I think it wants to bounce.
Yeah, and I'm gonna move my take profit to 0.43. Since I just have one, I'm gonna let this roll if it doesn't SIP me prior. I should have take profit.
Probably should have. Of course, this is also starting to look like a decent reentry spot.
Right? Alright. Inverse right shoulder here. What do you guys think?
A pretty nasty looking neckline.
Yeah.
I do like this area though for support because we have fallen on roughly half the volume we rose on.
Yeah.
So I'm going to take it.
I did too. But I just took one. You know what? Gonna take profit. I'll re-enter. I'm gonna do some scalps here. Get some of my money back. And put some ahead.
Second target hit. Man, I don't want to mess today up. Today's $800 per micro account. Doing
Nice.
222s.
Doyle, I love that thing that if I do not know who it is, goes straight to voicemail deal.
Oh my gosh, dude.
Oh,
Um, that is straight from God to my iPhone.
oh yeah. It's and if you do not want to freaking leave voicemail, oh too bad.
That's exactly how I feel about it.
Yep, yep, yep.
Those of you that don't know, I think it was introduced in the last iOS release. I didn't see it there before, but you can send all unknown callers. That they'll just be silenced. Your phone won't even ring.
Nope. You don't even just see that somebody call you. That's I love it.
Same way for text messages too. If you get an unknown text message, it just shows up. You don't get notified about it.
A text message doesn't I don't have much issue now.
Dude, I'm getting so much spam text today too.
Huh. I'm thinking I'm gonna get in
I,
here
I get so much
again.
crap that says, AT&T, we received your $83 payment. Please click here to verify.
Yeah.
Dude, it'd be awesome if my AT&T bill was only $83.
Yeah, right.
It's like having Robo Killer without having to pay for Robo Killer.
Today will be one of those days that take profit day. God damn it. Come on.
10 points, 10 points, 10 points, 10 points, 10 points, 10
Right?
points. The market's only going to move 75 points today, but if you grab every 10 it gives you, you'll get about 5 or 600 points out of it.
Yeah. Come on. I'm gonna be pissed if Sip me here. Fuck me. Alright, good. Nope, not good yet. I said too early.
Well, we hit the one, we basically retraced up and hit the 161. I kind of thought we were going to make our way up to VWAP, which is around 984.
Yeah, that's what I put in my take profit there, but I'm gonna even be more, gonna go higher.
I need a pullback.
Oh, nice, nice, nice.
Yep, just hit this B point. Yep.
It
Look
was
for
a
this
B
to make
Yeah,
a head
point.
and shoulder.
ABCD down. Yeah, there was a ABCD down.
Look for
I think
this to
that's
make
what
an
second.
inverse head and shoulders, and to go back up to that top viewpoint on the three.
Oh, we just made the head? And if we get
Yep.
up,
Oh, we're making the neckline. Yeah.
yeah, so, okay.
It may
Yeah,
want to
if we get
consolidate.
up around 16,000, is that roughly where the neckline would be?
Yep. Yep.
Okay, yeah, I see that.
Shoulders aren't real high, but
Right. But what I like about that is that would basically give us a trend line break, and then the right shoulders would be retest.
that's what I was thinking.
And that should give us the juice to break through that next trend line. Yeah, I like that. I might play that right shoulder if it happens.
You guys talking about what? The 3 minutes right shoulder?
Yeah,
Yep.
we're basically finishing up the head, headed towards the neckline right now.
Yeah.
Neckline's around 16,000.
16. Yep, yep. That's what I have to take profit. 1606.
Looks like it wants to go back to 16,000, doesn't it?
Does I'm
Mhm.
I'm gonna put in a little bit lower here. Oh, it's getting too fast. Getting there too fast.
Yeah.
It is.
I'm gonna move up.
Right. I'm waiting for the right shoulder to happen before I try to enter.
I put in my SIP under the S1. I'm falling close in case does the right shoulder. I'll get back in, but I don't lose much, you know.
Trying to honor the whole I don't want to trade too much today.
That hit exactly on the 241 as well.
241.
I have that. It stopped right on a 5 minute downtrend.
Oh, you know what? Yeah, I didn't have that one. Nice call, guys. Y'all were on it. Yeah.
See, that's why this trade performance report in NinjaTrader is kind of funny because it says I've taken 33 trades this morning per account, and that's just not right. It's counting my 222
That's
full
two.
free
I
trades.
mean, it's basically every contract you trade.
Yeah, it is.
Every contract counts as one.
That is one thing I like about there's a tool called Journalytics that you can tie into your accounts. It's basically it's running on your computer. You give it login credentials and it's watching all of your trades. It will count those trades correctly. I used that app for a little while to help me analyze things like, hey, you probably got no business trading after about 11 o'clock. You probably should never trade, Friday afternoon sessions. Monday mornings are hit or miss for you. Your most profitable days of trading are Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday.
My Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday.
Are they?
Yeah,
Yeah, my best days are Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday.
yeah. Thursday I'm a iffy, and Friday
Yeah,
is hit and miss, depending how the market gives to me. But Monday,
I
Tuesday,
just
and
need to start
Wednesday,
assuming. I just need to start treating Friday like a capital preservation day.
yeah, yeah.
Only A plus setups. Let's just take, if you're only going to take 3 trades today, what are those 3 trades?
This is looking like the fifth wave here, guys. What do y'all think? Look, check that out. Oh, shoot.
Yeah, 30-second.
That would make sense. Fifth wave up to the neckline to finish out that neck move.
Yeah, two,
Yeah.
3, 4. For some reason, I think we're gonna miss the right shoulder.
Well, I didn't have it drawn on, but I think this trend line break is something to pay attention to here. I guess we broke it. How about that?
Yeah, we broke the downtrend in five
Yeah.
minutes. Yeah, we
Oh
broke
no,
it.
the uptrend for the flag break that we fell to the 188 with, basically the flag that was setting up at S1 this morning. We pierced through that line and reversed back below it right now.
We're view app. Oh yeah, we
Yeah.
did too. I see what you're talking about. Might be a little off right shoulder, but
I would consider that a neckline hit.
Yeah, yeah, that's what I thought
Yeah.
about the
Mhm.
little off, but
Shark pattern on the 30-second, slightly visible on the 1 minute.
Just hit the 38 retracement of the open low to high.
That's a good fib to have that I haven't put on yet. .38 and roughly the 127. That harmonic. That wasn't deep enough for a shark pattern though. Should get to at least 161.
now on the 3 minutes time frame, this could be the second wave, which make the right shoulder, right?
Yep.
Actually, we
Yeah.
crossed the right shoulder though. We passed the right shoulder.
Nice little doji. Doesn't have the volume I would like it to have.
Yeah.
Should have more volume.
This did just break the uptrend in 3.
We broke the white trend line there, and we came back down. So we might are building uh, strength to
I
break
don't think
through it.
this. I don't think this we may have a continuation down.
You think?
I mean, it's possible. I mean, look how high we are on the daily still.
Ah, damn it.
But this could be the inverse head and shoulders on the daily too. But an inverse head and shoulders at all-time highs, that's shaky.
That been happening lately.
Yeah, we've been seeing inverse head, or we've been seeing head and shoulders be a continuation instead of a retracement.
Yeah. I'm gonna get in here, give a little bit of cushion at the B point here.
Right. We're officially in reversal territory for that harmonic now. And we've had a trend defining move that we can actually lay out on the 1 minute there. Try there. Choke my stop up a little bit on this guy. Move it to the bottom of this swing low here. I'm going to sip it as soon as we hit this first target nice and clean. And sipped on the last two.
Bounce over the 61 here.
And I'll take that.
I took that too. I just closed it right away. Damn it.
Why you guys are so fast
Oh,
triggers today? I'm still in it.
good for you because I've well, I don't know why. Because I've been taking profit today, so it's been 6, 7, 10 points, 6, 7, 10 points, and
That's
then
okay
it's coming
too.
back.
Yeah.
And the B points hit.
Ah, that one hurts.
Oh, took got man. If I show you, got into my take profit and won and touch and came back down.
See,
God
that's what keeps me.
dang.
That's why I've been just profit.
I need to show you guys this shit. Look at this. Look at that. The blue was my take profit. I don't know if you guys can see it. Can you see it? Look at that.
Barely.
Oh man.
Yeah, I've missed wicked a few times, and it's like I just don't close it. I'll wait. Oh yeah, got sipped. So my one big trade for the day though is I shorted a 261. I put it in good trades. That's the only one I really
Nice.
held on.
And I should have had sipped on that too, and I did. I was talking to you guys, and I did not sip. Oh, now it's against me again. Damn, that hurt. Could have been inverse, awkward inverse head and shoulders here, but I'm the 30 seconds. Alright, let's see if goddamn give my thing now.
Oof. Chop, 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 chop,
No
chop, chop.
kidding.
Watch for the ABCD down.
Oh, don't you dare say that. Don't you
I'll be
dare.
back.
Damn it, Brett. No, I need to get out of this damn trade. Cause I
It may do a
think
double bottom here, but
I think
I
you're
don't know.
right. No, I messed it up in this trade. I should have had. Yeah, gonna get out. Damn, man. Um, I started talking to you guys about that. Almost touched my thing, and I was way in profit, and I let go against me again, and pisses me off. My own fault.
H here.
Hmm.
H pattern. 7.
I was hoping this here would be the lag, you know. I was not expecting that one. Everybody's so quiet today. How y'all doing?
We all in the zone, Lou.
Man, I seen that. Yeah, if you guys stopped pretty quick because you're putting your stop to close, the volatility is very, very high right now. To get in, you need to give a little room, unfortunately. To get in this trade, I think your stop should be under S2, but that's a lot of points. Took one off here. If you guys did not enter on this, it could be looked to inverse head and shoulder on the 30 seconds. Jeff, on the MACD, I don't wait to cross over. If you see the bars losing losing power, as you can see on my, I use the 3 minutes, uh, but you can see the bars getting smaller to go up, right? So I enter looking at that, the divergence on the bars. I don't care if it's cross or not. Uh, I care if it's pointing down and pointing up for sure, but on the cross, no, I don't. I don't look into crossing now. And this could be a D-lag, right? Like I talk to you guys. I have my entrance in SEP, and I want to let being there. I'm not going to. I'm gonna take the risk of come back and sit me right inside my entrance, but I want to see if I have a runner here. Yes, my target is S1, correct. But what I'm gonna do on S1, I'm gonna come behind because I'm hoping that breaks through it. Hey Zach, nice man, real nice. Yeah, I can right there. I have 53 points. See it? Is on the 3 minute. Oh, my brother's calling me here, guys. Give me 1 second. I'll be right back.
I stopped right at the 61 retracement of this drop.
Uh, 3 minutes is up.
Yeah, there's some good volume behind it too.
Yeah, it does. It's building up, and I don't know if we're gonna come back down here to tell the truth, man. Um,
Yeah, I caught that trend break, but I think pullbacks to go up on this is a good idea.
yeah, I'm
So this
I'm
is a strong bounce.
I'm thinking this will be a cipher, come back to this area here.
Okay, yeah, I see what you're saying.
Uh, but uh, like you said, what week it is, right? This can just freaking be a damn symmetrical triangle, and that's it. And come back all
Mhm.
the way down again. But I'm gonna take the risk, man. I know I'm
Yeah,
putting a risk there,
even
but I'm gonna do it.
yeah, I don't think it's a bad idea to let one run take some profit, and this could get you if it was a cipher, it'll get you up another 110 points
Yeah,
from here
yeah.
to the 127.
I had four total, so I took two off, and I have one at break even, and the other one I'm following the flags.
Mm-hmm.
This could be first wave, second wave actually, right? Making the second wave down.
Yeah, on the 32nd. Yep.
Yeah,
Yeah, that was its little pullback.
yeah. I'm not counting this as a pullback now. This was just this mass here, so I'm counting this as the first. Hopefully, be
Hmm.
the second wave. The pullback. The
Yeah, it's definitely possible.
Yeah, a bunch of sell orders coming through there. Let's see if that's gonna.
That, that second low today had divergence on the 3 minute too, and the 5 minute.
3 minutes looking good to go up. 10 minutes is looking good to go up. That's why I'm holding, on it.
Yeah,
Uh,
the short term time frames look good to go up.
yeah, I think S1 is too close to take a profit.
Where's your S one? Like 30 more points.
Right at VWAP, right a little bit above VWAP now.
Okay.
Uh, I really think it's too close. I'm debating. I don't want it to be greedy, and not take some profit.
Hmm.
Mm, But I think it'd be too close, it'd be too soon because we have so much potential to go another 100 points up easy. But we'll see
Yeah,
what
if you're in profit
happens.
and you've taken some off, following the flags is probably the smart move.
Yeah, I hope that breaks through because I want to follow the 3 minutes flag. It's making a flag right now on the 3 minutes,
Hmm.
but did not break to the upside. So as soon as break, I'll move, which would be that's under that 61 right there.
Jesus freaking candle.
Yeah. However, I can lose all, not lose, but not gain, if it
Hmm.
comes back down and sip me. That's, yeah, Zach, there has no volume on the down candle. You're right.
Yeah, that candle was a little too big for
For the
the
volume on
volume
it.
in it.
Yeah.
That big green candle on the left is a little bigger than it, and it had twice the volume.
Yeah. I'm gonna be sick of my stomach if I get sip, brother. I tell you that.
897. We're in this like little intraday gap. That stopped at the 41 retracement of the first leg. If this is a
Yeah.
ABCD up.
But remember, this can still play out the ABCD down, right? Did not break any rules yet.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, if this ends up, I mean, if this goes down another 20, 30 points, momentum and everything will flip to bearish, and it could just be an ABCD down. Yeah.
Yeah. Which that sucks for me.
I have the 50 retracement and the POC just below with a ton of volume from today there. So that might hold.
Where's my? Oh, look, my POC is all the way up there.
Oh, interesting. Well, you do the 3 day
3 day, yeah.
POC, right? Yeah. Mine's only what's on my screen.
Oh, okay.
So from like 8:30 in the morning on, there's been a ton of volume just below this. Yeah, it looks like it wants to hold.
Your guts. That's your guts, not your knowledge, not what you see in the candles, not what you see technically. Your guts. I see how it is, Zach. I see how it is. Go back to your beach.
This is that POC and volume shelf. Be interesting to see if it holds.
Yeah, my uh, 89. I'm 10 points below here. That's my first step.
I have a plumber that's supposed to come between 12 and 3, but now he says he's going to be here around 11:15. That's annoying.
At least it's earlier, not later.
Yeah, right. The one time I don't want him to show up early, he's going to show up.
Got sept. I have one left on break even. Let's see how that one's gonna go. And it was triangle, right? As I was telling
Yeah, geez.
you guys about it,
This is
you know.
what a bearish trend looks like. Or do you think it's going to go up and it just doesn't follow the technicals?
Yeah. Isaac, you funny.
Shoulder and Freeman.
Yeah, it's gonna sip.
Oh, the left shoulders. Yeah, if the left shoulder was better. I see what you're talking about, though, with the hidden shoulders. Just the left shoulder is really weird.
Just sipped me.
Yeah, at this point, I'm gonna treat this like an ABCD down now.
Yeah. And the 10 minutes
Bears are in
was,
control.
yeah, 10 minutes was perfect to go up. Third 3 minutes and everything changed.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, now we're gonna need to wait to um 127 or 161 or yeah, the 200% it has been working out very well. Let's see the 200 what would be. The 200 would be this 120 minutes trend of mine.
Yeah, I've been really liking that 200.
Yeah, I'm glad you mentioned because it's working. It's working well.
I pay attention at the 166 or the 161, and then the 188. I really start paying attention, and then I might even test one with 188, and then around 200 if everything's looking good. That's where I'm really going for it.
Yep, yep, good deal. The divergence in 3 minutes is real good here as well. But the problem with triple bottom is bearish.
Yeah, it's in a descending triangle.
Yeah, some can break to the downside, but divergence is there for damn sure. Divergence on 10 minutes is there as well. That's what I hate this freaking week, man. Hate it, hate it, hate it. Because uh, does not work, you know? Does not work in a
Yeah,
normal week.
this could be your D leg
Yeah, I enter, but
if
I
it.
enter just with one.
Okay,
Um, because I was
if this
not a
triangle
hundred
doesn't
percent.
break.
Yeah, I was not 100% on it.
Yeah, I got down there too quick. Momentum on the one still bearish.
30 seconds is it's looking good. At least for me to put in my sip in it, you know. But the problem is, like I was 15 points up, and I did not put a sip, and and came and is on my entrance again with freaking
Mm-hmm.
15 points. how you do it, you know?
Yeah, with this volatile, it might be smart to put an automatic stop and profit at like 60 ticks, like however many points you think you want your SIP in.
Yeah, like right now I'm entering and I put in my SIP, my SIP now, my stop below S2. I don't know how many points is that, but it's a lot, you know?
Yeah,
But that's what's taking it to get in a trade. Look this volatility, man. That's just insane.
yeah, that was right at the bottom of the triangle. That is the 200 of the bullish harmonic on the hourly, and that tapped the 127 on this ABCD down.
You're doing this small one here. I did this bigger one and went up and down and
Yeah, I did from
this one.
yeah, the 1015. Yep. Mm-hmm.
Mm-hmm.
Might have missed it by one tick. Yeah, now it's hitting it. Jeff, on the hourly, we have that bullish harmonic forming.
Mm-hmm.
I mentioned that we just hit the 200 fib. So if you go to your hourly, you can see that this is forming a bullish harmonic.
This the 127 here on the bigger time frame. Not bigger time frame, the bigger ABCD down.
An hourly B point that we're really close to hitting too, about 12 points below. That
Mm-hmm.
never retested.
Loaded day here making it. Loaded day. That would be a retest of this downtrend here on 188. Hmm, interesting.
Just hit that untested B point on the hourly.
One 141.
in my 161.
At 3 minutes has no divergence. The bars are trying to diverge now, but it's not diverged yet.
Yeah, these 1 minute candles too, if you look at the volume, they're all just red. Even the couple green candles we've gotten have no volume in it. So the sellers are in complete control at the moment.
Yeah. We've been bouncing off of 150 today and yesterday. I should have give a little try there on 150. I knew it would happen. But no divergence yet on the 3 minutes or the 10 minutes.
Mhm.
But the candle is telling me that, well, at least I would had able to put in SIP.
New hourly candle.
Okay, that's why the change of the market.
Getting very close to the 188 I have for this ABCD. Still no divergence. 30-second has it. I think that's it.
Oh man, everything's red today. Oh, not everything, almost everything.
Yeah, the majority of my swing list is red.
Yeah.
Energy's getting killed today. Solar energy. That 188's holding. Microsoft. Microsoft's having a really ugly day. And 188 was the first sign of actual buyers coming in.
Yeah.
Could be forming a neckline to an inverse and shoulder. Also, keep in mind this could be just the third wave on like the 3 or 5 minute intraday.
The Fed is talking right now, man. That's what's going on.
Okay, really?
Yeah, they're talking about the inflation and they're accusing them, the Fed is doing the making the inflation. I don't know. This thing is just nuts.
We're gonna get a little move up here. Might be a tiny move. I think those two green candles we got had big volume, and the last three candles are really low. So we might have found this might be the fourth wave.
So are you saying you expect one more way down?
I was saying I thought that was a good entry for a long,
Yeah, yeah.
but yeah, I wouldn't.
It was a
I
little
think a
inverse head
fifth
and
wave is
shoulders, Jeff
possible.
pointed out.
Yeah, because this could be the fourth wave on like a 3 or 5 minute. And that was the neckline of the inverse head and shoulder. There we go. I'm gonna get sipped. God damn it.
I'm still in it.
Got within like 3 ticks of my sip.
I still don't know if it's gonna go up, man. I'm in SIP, then I'm gonna let run. I don't know. 3 minutes is looking good again. 10 minutes is starting to give some divergency there. But this week is so freaking messed up.
Yeah, it needs to get above and hold the neckline.
Yeah.
It's struggling right now.
Because we can still come down to the 188. That is the from the other ABCD, not the smaller ones that you guys did.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, I'm about to get sipped. Oh, teasing me.
Yeah, on the sideways move here, the 30 seconds momentum is up.
Yeah, and the 1 minute too is up now. Yeah, it's
Yeah,
got sipped.
3 minutes is wanted to turn. Yeah, I got sipped as well.
Yeah, so the 3 minute will have divergence, but the 1 minute on this fifth wave will have divergence. Is Doyle here?
I don't think so. This could be the spring bottom too. Doyle said he can hear, but he can't talk.
Okay. I was curious what he thinks of the volume.
I'm in. I did not put my sip yet. I got 10 points on this so far, but I did not sip yet. I have my stop right under the 161. Oh, yeah, he's saying the volume just starting to shift.
Yeah, I think the 1 and 3 have finally showed like its first divergence.
Yeah,
Yeah, he's saying it's leveling out versus just straight down.
I thought so too, Brett, when he said I read it. I was like, what?
Pretty funny.
There it is. And finally. Should I sip or should I don't? Should I sip or should I don't?
I'll be back in a second.
Yes, sir.
I'm gonna keep my chart up, but I gotta hop off for a little bit.
Yes, sir.
Talk to you guys in a little bit.
Yep.
Anybody out there?
Yes, sir.
Hey Lou, when you're drawing fibs on flag breaks, I'm just going back and recharting. I'm done for the day. I've had a great green day, and I'm not. Yesterday, I gave a bunch back, and then
Mhm.
I freaking scalped my way all the way back to getting back to my profits. I walked away from my computer. I left the fucking standing buy order in last night, and at came back to my computer at I don't know, it was like 4:15 or just after 4 o'clock, and um, almost all my profits were gone. I ended up finishing up like $800. I lost. I had one contract, but it went down like $2,000. So at the end
Oh,
of the day,
jeez.
I was like so mad. So today I'm up $3,500, and I'm just not even trading. So I'm just charting and looking at some stuff.
Yeah, yeah.
And and so when we draw flags, like I know how to do this on the
I got
next one.
lost. I lost you there. You know how to do
Uh,
what?
So I know how to draw, it's to look for flags to the downside or
Mhm.
either way, right?
Yeah.
But the question would be like, where do you draw the next one? Do you still stay at the high and go to the new low to see if that's a flag, or do you draw it from the most recent flag? Let me see if I can post something and show you.
Like in here, are you looking at my screen or no?
Yep, I'm looking right
Okay,
at it.
if you want to see this, because
Oh,
you guys played this one, A, B, C, D here. So
yep,
with that, if you want to see if this is gonna break, this is just a flag, or if this is something
yep,
else, that's what you do right here. We're in the 23%.
correct,
Okay.
correct. I got that.
So what
So now, what if it
our
drops? What if it
our goal,
drops?
okay, is the B point, right? Right here.
Yeah, yeah.
If you keep dropping, you go back to what we were.
Okay. Hey, I gotta go for a second, Lou. I'll be right
Sounds
back.
good. Sounds
Sorry.
good, man. Sounds good. 3 minutes is turning to the upside. Cross it over. Ready. 30 seconds. Looking good to the upside. In 10 minutes. Has not crossed. It's hooked. Uh, but is looking good to the upside as well. So we might have found our bottom here. I got in on this break of this trend, break of this flag here. Volatility is very high, very dangerous to trade, guys.
Sorry, Lou. I'm back now.
No problem. So yeah, you go back to this one here and see if that would come to the 200. Almost came to the 200 or the 227. If come back to the B point and then it would be done, right?
Okay.
Uh, but
When it what? So say it keeps going down from here. I'm not suggesting anything, but like I'm
yeah,
just looking. So say it were to keep going down from here further, and it looked like it started making another flag. Do we look at the very top again that we started this fib at, or do we draw a new fib from
that's depending on
the?
how type of trade you want to do, right?
Oh,
If you want it to be very close, this here is still working. I don't see a
yeah.
reason to take this out, so I don't. But if you want to be more precise and get to the trade, then like for example this one here on the 30
Mm-hmm.
seconds and do something like this. Oh, right there. You can, you know.
Okay.
Uh, if it be something like this, you can do it. And see the 127, but usually, oh, hold on. Usually that fib is we combine with something else here. So like the 188 of this would be the 100%. I'm sorry, the 88, hold on, yeah, the 188 would be almost in 100% here. The 227 is like in 161 and 150. So you see how it works. They
Yep.
connect, right? So will be just how
Yeah.
how you want to play. You want to play on a short time frame. You want to play on the long time frame. So that's what you need to think on, in my opinion. Does that answer your question, though?
It it does. I think yes and no. I think
Okay,
actually posting something here for you because it did answer part of the question.
okay. I like the 3 minutes. I don't like the 30 seconds, for example. I go to the 3 minutes. So the 3 minutes I was playing was this one right here. And when this trend was over, I had moved to this one here. When this is over, I'll have to move to this one right here. So it's all depend, you know, what type of trade you want to do.
Yeah, that makes sense though. I actually was looking at this on a like I said, I wasn't trading. I wasn't in the middle of a trade right now, so
Okay,
we're actually like at the 227 on a 30-minute chart.
okay,
But my question was, is say if this like we can see, let's see, so that would be that.
will be what? Ah, okay, I see you post there.
Yeah,
Hold on, let me
I'm
open
gonna
it.
clear that. I'm gonna clear that fib out right there.
161, cool. 227. Yeah, that one works perfect. I would not mess with that. That fibs is working perfect, man. And what time frame is that? Is that 300? I'm sorry, 30
That's a 30
minutes?
minute.
Okay.
30 minute.
Yeah, that's working very nice. Now you can do is put in the fibs inside of that drop, just to if you want to get in or not, you know. It's like what
Right.
I would do. I'll put in from let's see, the one that hit the 161 to the 141 to see what does that one put in us at on the 227 to be close to the 227, or you can even go, maybe that's this one here because you have another time in there. Ah, that's the 30 minutes. That fib's perfect. Okay, nothing, absolute nothing wrong with
Yep.
that. It's just like if you
Um.
want to play 30 minutes or you are playing for
for-
just few points, you know.
Right. Right. So the question though, because I'm just again, if you're in the middle of a trade, I don't want to bug you, but the
No, no.
question set these up on shorter time frames too. I just happened to notice it really clear on this and the fit, and because the candles are a little bit bigger on 30 minutes, right? So
Yeah.
uh, it's sometimes easier to actually see. So the question is that I actually have is, so I posted a second chart in there that you can see like it created that flag, perfect, right? It didn't come back up. It almost touched the 38%, not quite, then it went right back down. So
Yeah.
then if I were to draw another fib to see if it was creating a flag, do I draw it from
The
that that
0
that
to the top, the 23 to the 38.
say that
Hello?
again? I
Ah,
say that
okay.
again.
If you wanna see where are we, how far we be on that flag. If you broke the 100, the 0%, that's what you're talking about.
So it breaks the zero. And how
Hold
do we?
on. Let me do one thing here. This way we can do that. There you go. So, if we don't have this area yet, right? If this is, can you see my screen?
Yep, now I can. Yep,
Yeah,
perfect.
I have your screen, your thing here. So you brought from here to here to find to see if it was a flag. So came to
Yep,
23% and came down and broke the zero, right? So you
correct.
know that's not a flag anymore. There's probably be a A, B, C, D, right? So you put a fib from here to here,
Okay, that's my question. That was my question.
and
Like I
you
don't,
you're gonna find this one right here.
because what I was asking is I thought I was doing that wrong, right? I thought like I don't want to just keep pulling down that fib to see if it's creating a
Oh
flag each time,
no,
which
you can do, all the time. There will be no problem. And
oh,
then you found here and then
mhm,
broke the zero again here. I'll move from
mhm.
here to here.
Oh, you would? Okay,
Yeah,
okay,
to see what does this one gonna go.
yeah, okay,
And everything above 261, I'll clear and try to find something else. But
okay.
yeah,
So I
no,
am. That
everything
was my
is everything's good. I
okay.
definitely everything's good.
Cool. Yeah, that was my question. I was like, I don't know if I'm doing it right. That was my
Oh
thing. I
no,
just wanted to.
yeah, put in you can keep doing it. Keep moving that down, keep moving that down, unless you have that the 227 to 30 minutes. So you can use that as a prime, primary, and say, okay,
Hmm.
on get to that 227, I'm gonna go up, but on a small time frame, where would that 227 be? It would be a
Yeah.
188, it would be what 161, it would be a 41, would be what would be. So you can just zoom in
Right.
better in
Line
there.
up with
Yes,
and you get your more precise entry that way, right? That's
correct.
what.
Yes, that's what these small frames are for.
Awesome. Awesome. And just so you know, I'll be on vacation again starting tomorrow till probably next Tuesday.
Nice, nice, man. I'm going
Yeah.
vacation Friday until the
Going to
following
Florida
week.
again.
Yes, we're heading to Florida. Oh. We're going there for
Same
the.
place as last time or a different place?
We're going to Orlando this time. We're not going to Key West. We're going to Orlando
Okay.
because it's my twins, 13-year-old. So they want to go to the Hollywood studio where they have Star Wars thing and all that crap. So we are heading that way.
Well, I was listening to you. That's going to be fun for the kids for sure. I had somebody walk in real quick when
No, no,
you
no
were
problem, man. I completely see your work, so I know when your escape like this is
like,
that's
I'm trying
what
to
it
talk to
is.
somebody. Like, get up.
That's all good, man.
And I guess that's why I brought that up because to me it looked like if I kept moving from the high on that 30-minute chart, which was December 13th, it looks like.
Mhm.
Uh, if I keep moving that down, it looks like it's just making new flags. Obviously, we trade in the shorter time frames because I mean these moves are these candles are huge, right? Some of the
Yes.
candles are. It's just interesting to start like looking at the direction, and it's like we want it to go back up, but right now it's creating those flags to continue down. Is what I was looking at. Not that I'm saying I'm short biased or anything like that. It's neat to kind of see like, okay, when is it going to reverse as well? Like which fib? Like it's going to come up on the 241 is now 20 points away.
Yeah, yeah. Ay, ay. And my internet's slowing down. I don't know what the heck's going on.
Just a grind of a day, isn't it?
No shit. You have a mouth full there or what?
Yep.
Uh-huh. Yeah, we took this up, but I need to adjust myself to starting shorting, you know?
So the propane guy is going to make it today?
I had to pay $150 extra before the before after whatever would be
Yeah,
500.
basically like a extra trip charge.
Yeah, they're charging 409 per gallon, so it'd be 409 a liter.
No.
I think.
Okay.
Yeah, gallon liter. Uh, so I don't know what would be because I know it's a 500 gallon tank.
That sucker's completely empty this time versus
Oh
just needing topped
yeah,
off.
yeah, it's 0 0. It's like the zero
I think
what
I'm
is
gonna
under the
take
zero.
this. I'm gonna take this trend line break here. My stop is the bottom of this move.
Why this my okay. I was thinking was my thing was stuck in here. It's like why is he getting it? I'm gonna wait to this one here.
That was a nice hammer candle right there, or whatever it's called. It's good volume behind it.
Chop, 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 chop.
No shit. It's gonna be my last trade of the day. If I get sipped here, I'm done for the day.
Perfect 30-point range right here for the past hour and a half. Past hour. Yeah.
Alright, I just got sipped. I'm done for the day, guys. I'm not gonna be here doing this shit. Tired.
All right. Catch you tomorrow, man.